Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, April 17, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, April 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 17, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasa para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, April 17, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 35 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 29.7 million pesos for April 17, 2024 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, April 17, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.